The Nigeria cannot hide the truth. Akejile Pushinonwa. Nnamdi Kanu must be freed. Nnamdi Kanu must be freed. Our heroes must be freed. The killings of Christians must be stopped.
Joel Ejekwu, all the way from Washington, D.C.
Mazi Joel Ejekwu, Washington, D.C., USA. My boss, what about you?
Mazi Ume Opera, a principal officer in New Jersey, USA.
Wow, great. What about you, my boss?
Mazi Chijoke, the New Jersey coordinator.
Great, great, wonderful. What about you, man?
Lolo from New Jersey branch.
Hi, Lolo Brompri. What about you, man?
The controversial Madam Bridget.
Hey,
Biafra.
So,
From BA.
so when they hear about this Madam Bridget, that keeps all the money together, he doesn't want anybody to steal money.
Oh, yes.
That's the Madam Bridget.
Yes.
That people thought this way go, they don't like him. So when you see her now, you must love her. Because she makes sure man is go. What about you, sir?
Mazi Chukwudi on
New Jersey. My brother, what about you?
Mazi Abarakwe, New York City.
Mazi Abarakwe. I remember when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in town, you were there with us, with Miss Bridget. What about you, ma'am? Adanaya Onwudiegwu. Houston, Texas. Nanyi zuru kemere. Lekwano, Omo Biafra. Nde Porompiri. Mazi Nnamdi put at everybody today. What about you, my boss?
Yeah. My name is Mazi Amuka from Buffalo, New York.
Okay, Eberechukwu Amuka, Buffalo, New York.
Buffalo, New York.
That's what I'm talking about. And this one says Britain is supporting ethnic cleansing of Africa, of Biafrans. For our store, free Biafrans now. Damn! That's
our oil.
For our oil, my bad.
Yes.
Free Biafrans now. Now Britain should take it easy now.
Yeah.
Because I got one in it.
I'm Beatrice Okeze from Bronx, New York.
British Okeze, Bronx, New York.
Yes.
I can't
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
What about you, our Reverend?
Father Onyabo from Philadelphia.
Hi, Mado Nyabo from Philadelphia. Oh, Reverend, in my Biafra here more. The spirit of Biafra is in full control here. So,
Bar Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derema. More fire.